today we are going to resurface some drawers from a dresser that me and Nick thrifted, and then we're going to repaint it the color of your choice. So stay tuned and I'll show you what tools you'll need and how quick it's going to be. Okay guys, so all you need to resurface your drawers is an Orbital Sander, just like this little guy. It wasn't too expensive. I think we spent maybe $100 all in on this. And we started at 120 grit for your sandpaper, and then we went up to maybe 240, and it's just a Velcro patch, so super cheap, simple. You can get it at your local hardware store, and we are going to sand down all of these drawers. Hey guys, okay, so now we're up to the painting part. I've already done one shelf just to give you an idea of what it's gonna look like. But basically what you're gonna need is a 2 to 3 inch wide brush. I got mine at Michael's, you can get it at Home Depot, but during the pandemic there's limited stock on things. So I'm using some craft supplies instead of homeware, all that. And then I got this at Michael's as well, just an acrylic paint instead of like a Behr or your house type paint. I think it's gonna work the same, it's just acrylic, so it should be okay. These aren't gonna be outside, so we'll see what happens, but I'm gonna get to painting. Okay, so we're gonna start painting our first drawer. I'm using black. You can use whatever color paint you want. It's just acrylic paint. I couldn't find any paint at Home Depot, so this is just from Michael's, but I'm getting paint wherever I can get it during these times. And then you're just gonna do one thick coat. You shouldn't need 2 coats because it's a very heavy duty paint. Okay, so now that we're all done painting our drawers, our next step is gonna be to apply a matte spray paint varnish. And then after that, we're gonna attach our knobs to all of our drawers. You can use whichever you like. I'm using a leather drawer pull that I got off Etsy, and I'll attach a link down below. Okay guys, now that we have all our drawer pulls on, we're gonna go ahead and put this thing back together. Okay, happy dance, because everything is done. The big reveal of our finished dresser. Okay guys, there she is, the finished dresser. I hope you enjoyed watching my video. If you have any questions, just message me and I will get back to you. Have a great day, guys.